Okay, how's everybody doing today? Courtney's here with me again for this development video.
Yes.
We're thinking it's about time for another one. So, first bit of good news is Kickstarter was a success.
Yay!
Yeah, no, we did good. We got some funding through Kickstarter, and we've already spent some of it on Charlie Armour, who's doing some of the audio for us. So yeah, that's good. Also, the interns, Liam and Andrew, are going to be starting developing their first game. Unfortunately, they were supposed to start today, but we got hammered with some snow, so they're not in. But tomorrow they'll start. The name of their game is Shh, It's Locked, which is the working title.
Yes.
But they're doing I wouldn't say it's a survival horror. It's more like a puzzle horror, I guess. Yeah. And you're gonna be running around in a school and being pursued by an ominous janitor. And they're gonna start that tomorrow probably, and that's what they're gonna be doing through the internship. So hopefully, come February, we'll have a copy of that on the site for you guys to take a look at. As well, we've been working on our cutscenes some more, and they're coming along quite nicely. We're almost done with one of the scenes, but we'll be getting those in pretty soon.
Scene 1 is done, and I'm working on scene 2.
Scene 2. So scene 2. The scene 2 is going to be streamlined pretty soon.
Yeah.
So once we get the line work and those all cleaned up, we'll probably do another update before the game's release, which is in 33 days. It's a little bit stressful.
Panic time.
Yeah.
Not quite panic time.
No, it won't be panic time until it's like 10 days. And then it's like, oh, we got so much to do still. Another thing we've been working on here, let me show you this, is our store. Make sure the volume's off. Yeah. So we've been developing our in-app purchasing and in-app billing system. We went the route, we got a Unity plugin for this. So if you want to go shopping, you can now go shopping. It's spelled this way so I know it's still being worked on. And I do things like that when I'm developing to remind me that it's not finished. And here's our store and what it does. It doesn't do a whole lot right now. If I try to buy the night costume, which has yet to be developed, this is just placeholder. Calling purchase ID. You are not on a mobile device. Nothing will happen. So we got to get a mobile device for this so I can test and test and test. But yeah, so this is what we're working on. What we're going to do though is we're going to have a bunch of costumes for Lily, and you can buy them. And then you can go back, you can start, then you can play, and whatever costume you purchase, Lily will be in. So it's pretty simple, but I mean, that's how we were hoping. If you like the game, we will be able to feed ourselves, which is good. It's good to eat. So yeah, so that's working as far as I can test it through Unity, but now it's come to the point where I have to test on test devices now. As well, we've been doing a lot of Android developer stuff, which is, there was a lot of surprises, but it's a good thing that we started on. Like, I didn't know that you can't upload Android or an APK, which is like the game file, to the Google Store if it's larger than 50 megabytes. And ours was 113. So that proved to be a bit of a problem, but we got it down. We actually got it down quite a bit. We got it down to
43?
41, I think.
41.
Yeah, I think the most recent one is 41. Yeah, these are all of our, as I'm testing and building. I think this is 41.1.
Oh, 41.1.
Yeah. So that's good, which means that we can add more to the game now. And I didn't actually take anything out. It was just compression things and efficiency issues, really. But
taking the old audio.
Yeah.
Helped it too.
Yeah, Charlie's audio was significantly more efficient than the audio we were using as placeholders. But yeah, so we didn't know that, and there's certain things I didn't know about, like a key store. It's like you have to sign your app digitally, and there's a whole bunch of Google Play and Android stuff I didn't know about. But we gotten through all of it pretty quickly, so that's good. So aside from that,
The construct for the costumes. That was another thing that happened.
the what?
The costumes for Lily.
Yeah, I just showed. Oh right.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That we had the vote.
Yeah, we did a vote.
Yeah.
If you haven't seen, which anyone who's actually going to end up watching this video, as popular as they are,
Yeah.
will probably already know about that. But we held a vote, and so the three costumes that we're going to focus on first is Sir Lily the Knight, Pirate Queen Lily, and what was the
Captain Lily.
Captain Lily
of the Star Explorer.
of the Star Explorer? So astronaut Lily
Yeah.
or cosmonaut, depending on where you are in the world.
Sure.
But yeah, so those are going to be the first three we're going to do. That's not to say we're not going to do more. It's just because we're releasing pretty soon. We need something in the store, so we held a vote, and those were the three that won. And we'll probably start developing additional ones in order of where they fell, because like those three were pretty much tied.
Yeah.
It was like
Pretty much.
14, 14, and 14, and then 8 was the next one.
Yeah.
Remember?
I think so.
But yeah,
It's
so
like 14, 14, 13, 8.
Yeah, so it was
4.
pretty much a landslide.
Yeah.
But yeah, if you guys have suggestions on costumes or something you'd like to see in the game, feel free to let us know. Maybe that's another little vote contest. Choose your costume or something we could do. That'd be nice.
Yeah.
The game itself, as far as like mechanics, I mean, it needs a little bit of polish, but what game doesn't, right?
Yeah.
We could probably spend 10 months polishing it, you know, but it's getting there. It's pretty close, I'd say, to being at least an acceptable level to release. I think I need to work on a couple of camera angles and how fast the camera moves. I need to do score balancing and
Yeah, points.
timing balancing. And
Points falling whenever they shouldn't fall.
well, see, now they know. If you didn't say that, they would have just thought that was supposed to happen.
But it was showing that they weren't falling earlier.
Okay.
If they're paying attention, I guess. Yeah.
Well, now I have to fix that, thanks, Courtney, but that's
Well,
fine.
you're
I'll look into it.
Give you some stuff to do.
I
Keep
got-
you occupied.
I got lots.
Yeah.
So yeah, other than that, we have a PayPal now. So if you feel being very generous and throwing money at us, which we could certainly use, like we need to buy a test device, but that's on our website. So if you missed our Kickstarter and still want to help us out, you can. But I think that about wraps it up. Really, it's not much more to say.
Yeah, I think that was pretty much everything to cover.
Yeah. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and 33 days left until we launch this thing. We'll definitely have another update video before then, just to show everyone where it's at and all that. But that's about it, and that's all. So thanks for watching, and we'll be back to you soon. Say bye, Courtney.
Bye.